Rapid Rail SDN BHD, styled as Rapid Rail, was established to place all three rail operators under one administrating umbrella in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It began operational on 16th of December 1996. Total system length is 151.1 km. Rapid Rail currently operates 5 rail lines. These are the LRT Ampang and Sri Pedalink, LRT Kelana Jaya, KL Monorail and MRT Shungai Buloh Kajang lines. These rapid transit systems are known collectively as Rapid KL. The 5 rail lines operate on standard gauge 1435 mm rail, while the KL monorail operates on an all-wag straddle beam. Train services operate from 6 AM and typically end before midnight daily, with frequencies varying from approximately 3 minutes during peak hours to 14 minutes during non-peak hours. It is important to note that the operating hours vary from station to station. Rapid Rail implements an automatic fare collection system with stored value tickets and single journey tickets issued in the form of magnetic stripe cards at every station. Tickets can be purchased either from ticket vending machines or at station counters found at all LRT stations. The Ampang line consists of 2 sublines, one a north-south line and one heading eastward. The Chansou line Sri Pedalink route serves the southern part of Kuala Lumpur. The Chansou-Lin Ampang route primarily serves the suburb of Ampang in Selangor and the town of Pudu in Kuala Lumpur, both of which are located in the northeastern region of the Klang Valley. Both lines converge at Chansou-Lin. The merged line leads north, terminating at Sentul Timur LRT station. The Kelana Jaya line consists of a single line that connects Petaling Jaya in the west to Gombang in the northeast, passing through the city center and various low-density residential areas further north in Kuala Lumpur. The line has a total of 870 individual bridges, the longest of which has a 68-meter span. The Ampang line and the Kelana Jaya line intersect at Masjid Jamek and Putra Heights. Since the Kelana Jaya and Ampang lines were intended to be operated by different owners during the planning and construction phase, both lines have unique and distinct station designs. Except for 5 underground stops between Pasar Seni and Ampang Park on the Kelana Jaya line, the entirety of the LRT is elevated or at grade. The Ampang line consists of elevated and at grade stations, while the Kelana Jaya line comprises underground and elevated stations, in addition to one at grade station. All trains are air-conditioned. The Kelana Jaya line in a northeast-southwesterly direction, consisting primarily of elevated stops and a handful of underground and at grade stations. Of a total of 37 stations, 31 are elevated and 5 stops are underground. The only at grade stations, Sri Rampai. The service depot is located in Subang. On the Ampang line, the system includes a total of 36 stations, 11 along the Chansong-Lin Central Timur line, 7 along the Ampang LRT station, Chansou-Lin line, and the 18 along the Sri Pedalink Chansou-Lin line. The rolling stock of the Kelana Jaya line, in use since the opening of the line in 1998, consists of a fleet of 35 Mark II Bombardier Advanced Rapid Transit trains, with related equipment and services supplied by the Bombardier Group. The ART trains consist of 2 electric multiple units, which serve as either a driving car or trailer car depending on its direction of travel. The rolling stock of the Ampang line currently consists of a fleet of 50 new trains, better known as AMY, that are deployed to increase the capacity of the line and provide a better service. Total number of stations is 116. Each of the new trains is 6 cars long and provided by CSR Zhuzhou of China, similar to on the design for Izmir Metro and Buenos Aires Underground 200 series. The first trains were put into service on the Sri Pedalink in Rara BK5 stretch in October 2015, and then until Putra Heights and Sentul Timur in July 2016, and finally the Ampang branch line in December 2016. Daily ridership was 537,757 of passengers in 2017. Annual ridership is 196,281 million of passengers in 2015.